So I'm installing this big bookcase that is quite tall, and it barely allows me to fit it under our ceiling. And this video is about why I like the Wera beat check system so much. Sorry, I can't zoom it. So as you can see, I've got about 14 centimeters, or just about 5 inches of space in here. I need to fix these two shelves together so they don't move against each other, and to get rid of this big gap between them. And if I try to use my regular screwdriver for it, or even a bit smaller size 1 Phillips or opposite drive, there is no chance I would be able to fit it here. And this is where my Wera beat check comes in, and in a moment I'll show you how easy it is. Some of you may say, okay, you should have stubby screwdriver, but sometimes you've got even less space where even stubby screwdriver wouldn't fit, and then I've got this tiny bit holder from Wera that saves the situation. Okay, I'm standing on the ladder holding my phone with one hand and the bit holder with the other. So if you see me falling, that will make a interesting video for my YouTube channel if I make it to publish it, of course. Okay, so as you can see, I can screw it in fairly easily, even holding it with one hand. I hope I convinced you that it's not a gimmick anymore. I definitely convinced myself, because initially I was very skeptical about it. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.